done with all of that. I already know how kissing feel, how kissing taste. Get down there. Hey guys, what's poppin', what's not stopping? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as I see the title and I see the thumbnail, you guys, I'm gonna tell you a story time. I know I love my story times, you know, so I'm gonna tell you a story time. So the story time I'm gonna tell you is the first time I got topped off. I'm gonna tell you about the first time I get head, guys. So if you don't want to see the video, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, follow me on my Instagram at I am Shawna with 2S. Link's gonna be in the top of the description, guys, and also on the screen. So make sure to go over to my Instagram, follow me right there, share my video, guys. Tell a friend, tell her boyfriend, tell her ex-boyfriend, tell her husband, tell her matey and her wifey and him wifey. Come subscribe to my channel. If you not watch my video and click the red button there yet, won't now wait pan. Click the button right now, like today, not tomorrow, today. Click the button now. Click the gray notification bell so every time I post a video, guys, you're gonna be the first to get notified, so you can be the first to comment down below. Okay, you know what I'm saying? So today, post notification shout out goes to, remember I'm gonna tell you something, I got the post notification shout outs. So the post notification shout out goes to Simone. I can put her name on the screen and stuff like that, and also our comment on the screen, guys, because you know she always down in the comments and have my back and all these things. So shout out to you, girl. I'm trying to do a video. Yeah, and I don't speak, baby. Yeah, Masuka. Yeah, so shout out to you for always having my back down in the comments and stuff like that. Anyway, me know that I don't want to see. Me know that I don't want to see. I just want to get in our business. So let's get it. Let's go. So today, y'all better get your popcorns ready. Getting a juice and all these things, you know. Yeah, so guys, I'm nervous. But I don't know, every time I bring up that topic, I always get nervous. I'm nervous, guys. But I'm not telling the same because I know I'm come with it. So I think we did at 18 at the time. 18 or 17. 17, yeah. But that's 17 and oh my god. I don't know what that topic I have me with. That topic about my shy-ish. Anyways. Yeah. Woo. But that's 17 at the time, and at the time I did have this not boyfriend, but man friend. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, he did way older than me. Not way older than me, but he did older than me. And them something there, you know. God, straight as speed. I don't know, get nervous. Anyways, let me just get to it. So, I did a 17 and stuff like that. And you know, not all of my friends them, but most of my friends them did I talk about it and stuff like that. And you know, yeah, in our group, you always have one who always shy for do certain things, even though I was the head of the group, if you know what I mean. Not the head, but also shy in certain way because I never exposed to certain stuff like that as them. So them always I talk about it and stuff like that, and I say, oh, it make them feel like them the pan cloud 10 and all this. You know, them usually go on the most about it, exaggerate and all these things. Say, oh, if we try it one day and and we don't need to be shy and something because it's nice and it feel good. So I'm like, I don't know, because I'm like, I can just go up to somebody randomly and say, yo, come eat this kitty. You can't do that. You just have to did it until like somebody will really do it like you or whatever, and then them get fit. You know what I'm saying? Lick the kitty. Woo! So that day here, you know, I don't know. In my mind, I say, alright, then it probably gonna be good and stuff like that. I'm gonna try. So the day come out something, you know, you prepare your feet, you're well bathed, well fresh, everything. Shave everything. You can make sure it's down there clean, nothing at all, if you just like, you know, turn off the guy. Yeah, you can't afford for you to say, yo, you have to make sure you're well clean and sort out and proper and everything, you don't want to turn off the guy or whatever. So a day come and thing, you know, me did it. All the thing that on my mind are that. Like, we need to do it and get it over with. So, we did it and just did it. I go and chill and all these things and we are talking and something and then in my head that me want, you know, but you know, me not go really blur it out or nothing like that. Me just not go like way. So, we did that chat and whatever, so till guys, oh my gosh, we're shy. We can't believe that we really are telling you this. But anyways, on the ask the story time, so I'm telling you. So, indeed, and he like him start caress me and stuff like that. I kiss up and I go on with him antics. All the thing me depend is done with all of that. Me already know how kissing feel, how kissing taste. Get down there. That's all more. Down there. Me just want you to go down there. So and that's all I have my mind. So I did I try like when my kiss up and so you know me I push him head down, but we can't like I push it weird. We have to just like push and stuff. You know, like pull it, like and pull on top. So and that we did push and top. So till and finally like Jesus peace. Can't believe I actually said it. And finally like take off my clothes and whatever. And then did I go on. You know if I'm talking a code because YouTube rule or something, but you know what I'm saying, and did I go and kiss up and all these things until he reach down there. When he reached down there, Lord Jesus peace. Only thing I could have feel is teeth. Bare teeth. Bare teeth, guys. I'm telling you, say, oh, this boy down there teeth me. I be eating me backside. I never eat dinner. I never eat breakfast. Why I'm down here? I teeth me. I sushi man to eat. Anyways, so me also like me did I feel uncomfortable now, you know. Like me I feel whisper cause Stallo, I'm filming a video. A very explicit video. Think you watch show with Abby? So I forgot what me did there. What me did say? Oh, somebody didn't know me. I say, oh, what the backside is? I don't me say to myself, no, but you know you can't. Alright, first of all, me know say, oh, me never did it before, so therefore, me never know what really to expect, but at the same time, me know say it never did feel like that. You understand? Because you just feel so I use your tongue where you use your teeth for. You know what I'm saying? You chop it up like, I'm like, the whole time I did the uncomfortable. But then I just say, aye, yeah, man. Come up back. Move from down there. Come up back. Because me did that and me telling you guys, it was the worst experience ever. I mean, I say, really, this, can't mind you know, me know, even though I know say, oh, it never did feel like that, I still never really know what it is. I mean, I say, really, this, my friend then did a boss ball, teething. Guys, I was really and truly disappointed in that boy. Like, yeah, big man, you're supposed to know what to do. You're supposed to have it locked. Like, what are you talking about, bro? What you do? You're supposed to know what you do. You're not supposed to down there teeth me. Anyway, so then this one have the audacity, have the nerves to ask me if me like it. What in that for like? You chop up something with your teeth? What in that for like, guys? No, like, talk it true, guys. Want to not agree with me. What in that for like? I'm telling you, say, yo, me did really and truly disappointed. Really and truly disappointed. I don't remember if me did ever chat back to him after that. You disappoint the kitty. You disappoint the cats. You know, oops. You know what the worst thing is? Me hate when people are boss and I go on the most and I do all these things and then when time come, them can't add up to what them did that tax. So that's one of the things that will piss me off. Or if you're a boss and I go on the most and you can't add up to where you did a boss both in the text, like seriously, bro? Are you serious right now? So that day they done her over with her whatever. go back and remember what me and my friend start talk about it and something. And them ask about it. I say I cuss them. I cuss them real bad because the way all them are boss and a go on, you would feel like say yo, rare and then when time me go, I nyam him. I really nyam him because I nyam him, did I nyam with him teeth. So I say why my experience have to be like that? Why? I don't think I understand the level of disappointment when I experience right this, so guys. I'm telling them, I say yo. But I think I'm gonna make that video like, because I'm just summarize everything real quick, guys. So it was the worst experience, and I'm like, you know, I'm never ever gonna do this again because I can't afford for people I chop up with them teeth. Like, who need teething? Ain't nobody need teething. Yeah, me say, only boy will love chat off on the mouth and go on the mouth, so you're supposed to know the thing. When you can't go on hype and this and that, and you can't do nothing. Me I say yo, it's one time all of that done, me I said to myself, what a lucky thing I dream, me did a dream. Suppose all of this did real. No, suppose all of this did real. Suppose everything what me just said did real. Me know that be disappointed. Remember that the first part of my video, me say in my mind, I dream, me did a dream. Daydream, me did a daydream, say yo, me I get look ahead. Then when time, me like, me don't know what happened, and me jump up, me say, caca. All of this never real, me just make it up a while ago just to tell you now, look a story time. Even just the thoughts I was thinking about if it did real, guys, really pissed me off, right? Really pissed me off right now. Because I say, no, sir. Guys, it was all, it just happening in my head. I don't know why I did think this real a while ago. Kill me dead, it did real, but it was just a little dream. I just not think about it in my head, guys. And it's my fault. I only catch up with the video. I said that the first part in my head. For the rewind back in the ear, I said in my head. No, what I say in my head, I attack to myself. And I said, what if I did so it go? Eh? A joke me did on me. Oh, nobody that yet me know, guys. Oh, nobody that yet me know. You know what I'm done chat before they kill me. Subscribe, guys. Just subscribe to me, okay? As I said, we're up on the road to 20,000 subscribers, guys. Subscribe to me. Share my video. Follow me on my Instagram. And thank you for watching, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to turn off the comments now, but I don't know. I'll probably turn it off because I don't want to look down in the comments and give away the video. So I'm probably going to turn it off. Because I don't want to go down in the comments and give away a video so who else not watch it won't get it. We'll just go read it and say you're right. So I'm going to turn it off. Probably. I don't know. Depends on how I feel. So, bye.